Hey guys, it's me today, and I'm going to be trying to fix my hoodie, as you can see in the comments. In the title. It is really sticky. I can tell where it's stuck all in my hands. So let's just get on into the video. Yo. Alright, so I'm ready. So this is my hoodie. It turns pink in the heat. So yeah. Let's just do this. So I have a saline solution and baking soda mixture right here. That's kind of stupid because the baking soda does not melt in saline solution. So, yeah. This is the saline solution. Add some in here. So I'm going to go right behind me and get a measuring tool. And the chunk is that it goes. Okay, I can't find
four of our hangers.
So I'm just gonna pour it in. Right there. So, yeah. Let's just see if I can fix this, because never add lotion into your crazy errands thing for cutting, which here's the cap with the stuff in it. Never. Unless you want to make it soft. Never add a lot of lotion to this kind of thing. I was trying to get soft and have a way too much lotion. So, yeah. That didn't work out.
As soon as I get a bath, I'll wash those clothes.
Granny, I'm doing a video. You better hurry. I'm doing a YouTube video right now. So, we're in North Carolina right now because of the hurricane, of course. I just got that on me. So I've already added a lot of contact lens lotion into it. And then I figured, why not add some baking soda? Maybe that'll help. So that's what I'm doing right now. You do that then. Papa's not a kid though. It's cold. I would be doing this outside right now, but it is freezing. So yeah. I'm just gonna do that. Let me go get the baking soda, which is right behind me. Move there. And I might also try to make some slime with some shampoo. I might. But this is it so far. Get baking soda. I had this baking soda from Walmart. I'm just gonna get I got a 1/4 teaspoon. Yeah, teaspoon. Get some of that out. Can't get it out, guys. I'm gonna add a little bit. Not much in. Only added like a little bit from the bottom into it. I don't want it to get. But I don't know if this is gonna make it liquidy or what. So yeah. A washing machine. It's really good. It's getting less and less sticky. Kind of. Stick. So now, nice. Baking soda into this. Maybe. I'm gonna add some baking soda into it. steady mode. So yeah, just do that. Keep them flat and more baking soda. Just keep adding baking soda, and it should get better. I might try to make edibles. In my next video. Sorry if y'all can't hear me. My papa's over there watching TV. Just ignore the noise in the background, please. But yeah, it's a really good song. That's my bacon saddle. Gonna want to I might do a little bit of coloring in a minute. If y'all want me to, I might make a video on that. But this is basically gonna be a slime channel. That's what it's basically just gonna be. Basically, just gonna make it a slime channel. I might do like edible slime, making slime, fixing slime. I might do some other stuff on this channel. I might make another channel on my tablet, no iPad. So yeah, I'll just see that. That's my making channel. Let's try to steady So if it's too stiff, just add a little bit of water or a little bit of baking soda. Me and my cousin did make some slime yesterday on this channel. So make sure you watch that video. I haven't uploaded a lot because I want to be blowing up y'all's phone. So yeah. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. I'm gonna give you 7 seconds to do that. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So yeah, just make sure you do that. Did you like? Did you subscribe? Did you comment down below? I can tell now. Comment down below.
Hey,
Sis fam.
y'all still making it alright?
If you are part of my family. If you subscribed, I might do a slime giveaway. Depends, and I might make a slime shop when it's my birthday next year. So
I've seen
I
some
might even buy
pictures
some
of
slime stuff for my
17
money.
right there at the causeway going to St. Simon, it's flooded.
This is really good slime. Oh. Slime fail.
Yeah.
Like for that's a fail right there. I might be able to recover though.
Oh.
Right now, it's probably not going to turn pink unless I put it under like hot water, which I'm about to dissolve some baking soda in some hot water. I won't just keep putting clumps and clumps and clumps of my slime. So, I'm gonna be right back.
Yeah, we was gonna
Like
leave,
2 of these.
leave it come back today,
Maybe.
but I think we'll better make it tomorrow happen.
Good. The chunk is steady though. And then we get some hot water.
Yeah.
I'm right here. Oh my god, guys, look at my hands from sticking it under the hot water.
Oh.
This isn't gonna turn pink too much because my hands, probably because it's like freezing cold in here right now.
Yours hadn't come back on
But
yet.
yeah. I'm going to mix this up now. Make sure it gets mixed real well. So you're gonna have some comfy water.
Good.
Guys, if you want me to, I might buy
Mess, man.
a gallon of clear glue. So comment down below if you want me to do that. And add some more baking soda into it.
Mm.
Just tell me if you want me to. Cause I might not do it. If I don't get at least 50 comments, no. If I get 10 comments on buying an Elmer's gallon of clear glue, I will do it. If I don't, I will not do it. I'll get a white gallon of white glue to make some slime with.
Mm.
Comment if y'all like clear slime or colored clear slime, and comment down below your favorite type of slime, your favorite scent slime, and like your favorite color glitter, and like do you like fishbowl and stuff like that. But this is my slime so far. So now I will be reviewing my other slime that we made yesterday, me and my cousin, on this channel today. On this video.
These hogs swimming everywhere, won't it?
Maybe. I will be reviewing it today.
Yeah.
I might take it to the park and review
There
it.
probably ain't many left to swim.
My cousins live right by a park. School park. We're all in there. We might do slime fix-up, slime making slime at the park, something like that today. We did make slime at the park yesterday. Out of glow-in-the-dark glue. It's right here beside me, so let me get that. It was kind of a fail. We did not shoot it. But my cousin did save a little bit of glue. So since this is contact lens solution and all that kind of mixture, I'm going to add some of this glue in that she saved. Just
Did you
4 teaspoons,
get your
maybe 2.
generator?
Not really sure.
Got
However
it
much
going?
comes out. I'm going to get.
Yeah.
I'm not going to get all of it. And I think this is mine though. I think this is the one that I saved a little bit of. This is kind of watery. Yeah, I think this is the one that I saved, so I can use this much as I want. But it is glow in the dark, guys, so I'm not lying. It is glow in the dark. And it's glitter glue. So that's as much as I'm going to get out right now. Put that back in. But it is glow in the dark. Glow in the dark. See it right there. So I'm just going to mix this up. This is not turning its. Well, it kind of is, but it's kind of also turning liquidy. Yeah, let's just get liquidy. Guys, it's just pure liquid.
Yeah.
Really bad.
Mm.
I'm gonna add some in here. See how that turns out. Please do not deactivate. That's alright, just
Yeah, I want to get
deactivate.
back home, but I don't want to get back home with no water,
It's actually working
electricity,
better.
power.
Add more listen.
Nobody to take a bath, wash your
Probably because
butt.
Declan's in it. But I'm going to end this video right here. So bye bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down